Did you know science says that when you combine plank with dynamic stretching, your core activates up to 3 times faster? Today, I'm going to show you a move that not only sculpts your abs, but also boosts your flexibility and balance at the same time. It's called the plank toe touch. No gym, no equipment, just your body and a bit of energy. To perform this move, start at a plank position. Now, lift your hips up like you're moving into a downward dog pose. Reach your right hand to touch your left foot, then return to plank. Now switch sides. Touch your right foot with your left hand. With every touch, feel your entire core fire up. This move targets your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques all at once, while improving both your flexibility and stability. Maintain your breathing. Inhale as you lift up, and exhale as you return to plank. Do 3 sets a day, with 20 reps per set, and within a week, your body will start to show the difference. If you felt that fire in your core, drop a comment saying, "Fire in the core!" And if this workout helped you, don't forget to like the video, because the next move is going to be even more scientific, intense, and powerful. Subscribe now so you don't miss what's coming next!